kids! Today, we are drawing a cute peacock. Let's draw together. First, we draw head and neck of the peacock. Our peacock has a small round head with a little crown on top. Peacocks are famous for their super colorful tails with eye spots. Now, we draw two thin legs with little claws. Now, it's time to draw the beautiful tail of our peacock. We are drawing 8 big fancy feathers spreading out like a fan. Only boy peacocks have the big fancy tail. They shake it to dance and say, "Look at me!" They live in forests in India and nearby places. Peacock loves eating seeds, fruits, and little insects. Peacocks can fly a little to reach trees for sleep. Flap, flap up high. Our drawing looks so beautiful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Coloring. Wow, wow, wow! Fantastic! Our drawing looks so beautiful. You are an awesome artist. Super star. Well done. Give yourself a big, big hug.
Everywhere that Mary went, Mary went, Mary went, and everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go. It followed her to school one day, which was against the rules. It made the children laugh and play, laugh and play, laugh and play. It made the children laugh and play to see a lamb at school. And so the teacher turned it out, turned it out, turned it out, and so the teacher turned it out, but still it lingered near, and waited patiently about, and waited patiently about till Mary did appear. Why does the lamb love Mary so, Mary so, Mary so? Why does the lamb love Mary so? The eager children cried. Why Mary loves the lamb, you know, lamb, you know.
Look at your drawing, little artists. Wow! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more fun drawings. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.